Ever wake up in a cold sweat, realizing you forgot where you meticulously documented that life-changing idea? Or frantically search your digital landscape for a buried to-do list, the one holding the key to conquering Mount productivity? Yeah, us too. In today's information overload, organization tools like Notion have become lifesavers. They corral our thoughts, tasks, and projects into a single, beautiful workspace. But what if that sleek interface comes with a price tag that stings a little too much? Fear not, fellow organization warriors. We're diving deep into the world of free alternatives to Notion. Buckle up, because we're about to explore a treasure trove of apps that'll keep your workflow streamlined without breaking the bank. The power of free, exploring what you need. Before we unleash the free alternatives, let's dissect what makes Notion so darn appealing. It's a versatile beast, offering features like note-taking nirvana. From simple text jottings to elaborate mind maps, Notion lets you capture ideas in a variety of ways. Task management triumph. Lists, Kanban boards, and deadlines. Notion keeps your to-dos organized and action-oriented. Project planning paradise. Wikis, databases, and collaborative features transform Notion into a project management powerhouse. Now, the free tier of Notion does offer a decent amount of storage and functionality. However, for power users who crave unlimited bells and whistles, the paid plans become tempting. But fret not, because the free alternatives we'll explore offer a surprising amount of bang for your buck, or lack thereof. Contenders in the free arena. Unveiling the alternatives. Here are some of the top contenders in the free organization app arena, each with its own strengths. Trello, the Kanban king. Trello is the undisputed champion of the Kanban board world. Those visually appealing columns, to do, in progress, done, make project progress crystal clear. Trello also boasts robust collaboration features, making it ideal for team projects. It's a fantastic option for those who thrive on a visual representation of their workload. Coggle, the mind mapping maestro. Coggle is a mind mapping masterpiece. Brainstorming sessions become a joy with its intuitive interface and ability to link ideas together. Need to organize complex concepts or plan out a writing project? Coggle is your free mind mapping hero. Onenote, the creative canvas. Onenote is a visual organization dream come true. Think of it as a giant virtual corkboard where you can pin notes, images, web links, anything that sparks your creativity. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions, mood boards, and visually planning projects. Google Keep, the simple note-taking star. Sometimes, simplicity reigns supreme. Google Keep is a free note-taking app that excels in its ease of use. Jot down quick ideas, create checklists, and even add voice memos. Integration with other Google products makes it a seamless fit for those already invested in the Google ecosystem. Zoho Notebook, the feature-packed freebie. Zoho Notebook is a feature-rich free note-taking app that might surprise you. It offers text formatting, image and file attachments, and even collaboration capabilities. While it might not have the visual pizzazz of some other options, its robust feature set makes it a great all-rounder. Finding your perfect match. Considerations for choosing. Now comes the fun part. Choosing the free alternative that aligns with your organizational style. Here are some questions to ponder. Visual learner or text guru? Do you crave visual aids like Kanban boards and mind maps? Or are you content with clean text-based organization? Solo act or collaboration champion? Do you need an app primarily for personal use? Or does collaboration play a key role? Feature fiend or simplicity seeker? Do you crave a plethora of features? Or is a streamlined, user-friendly experience more your jam? By reflecting on these questions, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect free alternative that unlocks your organizational potential. The hunt for the perfect free organization app doesn't have to be an odyssey of frustration. With a plethora of fantastic options available, you can create a system that keeps your thoughts, tasks, and projects neatly organized without breaking the bank. So, dive into the world of free alternatives, explore their strengths, and discover the app that empowers you to conquer your organizational Everest. Remember, the best organization app is the one you actually use. So, experiment, find your perfect match, and watch your productivity soar.